Hi friends, so we are going to make a butterfly band. Take cardboard and cut it according to the size of which you want to make. For example, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. And now we will put it like this and we will wrap the cloth, and after that we are going to stitch it. We have made the circles from it. Now we will stitch it with the thread and we will cut and we'll take out these two pieces. Now we will revert them back, make a small incision and then reverse them. So now after that we will do ironing on it. And then arrange like this, square one above below that circle one, and then stitch it like this way. After that, continue stitching by fixing the another square one like this one, and then you will to stretch the thread, and you can see how the butterfly took the shape of a butterfly. We will roll the thread and we will cut a small piece of cloth and wrap like this. And on the back side of this, we stitch the rubber band. And now it's ready. Thank you.